Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Buddy. In today's video we are going to install Winzip. It's a file compression utility alternative to 7-zip and WinRAR. So let's get started. I'll open a web browser. You can use any other web browser. Here you need to enter Winzip, download and press enter. You need to click on the official link, that is winzip.com. Alright, over here Winzip is a paid software. They also provide a trial version. You can also purchase the software license by clicking on the buy button. I'll click on trial version, download Winzip now. So it comes with a 21-day free trial. So setup has got downloaded. I'll click on open. Click on yes. It says welcome to Winzip. Click on next. So it provides the easiest way to zip, protect and share your files. Click on next. So it is showing us the installation status. It has downloaded some files from online. Okay, it is taking some time. It is gathering required information. The best software for file compression is 7-zip. Actually, it gets installed very quickly and it's free to use. This software is a paid. So currently we are installing a trial version of Winzip. So it has generated the desktop icons like Winzip image, and we can compress the PDF files. You can also create a secure backup. Alright, it has got installed. Thank you for installing Winzip. Click on finish. See, it gives us a pop-up showing it is providing. You can buy the license. Here it shows the time left. We can use it for 21 days. buy the license as well. So I'll click on use evaluation version. Just keep on. They also provide a tutorial like how to use it. Just click on skip tutorial. Okay, the free version comes with an advertisement. So here are the different formats they have provided. We can create a zipx or zip file. These are different file formats. You can also open a zip. Okay, so that's it guys. You can subscribe to my channel Tech Buddy and press the bell icon to get notifications of the upcoming tech videos. Thank you.